Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. So today I'll be teaching you how to crochet this beanie hat for an adult. So let's dive into the tutorial. But first, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. And remember to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a tutorial. Step 1, make a slip knot. So I make my slip knot. Fasten the knot. And then from there we chain 60, which is the length from the folded brim and from the top of the eyebrow to the crown of your head. So let's chain 60 to chain, yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. That's 1, 2, yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. That's 3. So we chain this up to 60 chains. Done with the 60 chains. So let's go into row 1. For row 1, we skip 1 chain and make half double crochet into the next chains. That's 55 chains. So to have double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. We have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. To have double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. So we're gonna do half double crochet until we are remaining with 5 chains. Continue doing half double crochet until you are remaining with 5 chains. Then I will meet you there. I am done making the half double crochet. Now we are remaining with 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the 5 chains, we're gonna do single crochet stitch. To single crochet, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. So let's single crochet into the next 3 chains. We're done with row 1. For row 2, chain 1, turn your work. Single crochet back loop only on the first 5 stitches that you did single crochet. So to single crochet back loop only, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. To single crochet back loop only, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the back loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. That's how we do it. You single crochet on the back loop. We have 2 loops, the front loop and the back loop. So we're gonna go into the back loop, this one. So insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Yeah, the remaining 1. So to have double crochet back loop only, you yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. So that's what we do. I have double crochet back loop only. You yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. So do the half double crochet back loop until the end of the row. We are the last stitch. So for the last stitch, we do half double crochet back loop only. Yarn over, insert your hook into this loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. We are done with row 2. For row 3, we chain 1 and turn our work. To begin row 3, we're going to do a half double crochet back loop only. To do half double crochet back loop only, yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. Repeat the same pattern. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops on your hook. So we're gonna repeat the same pattern that we have done. You do half double crochet back loop only on the half double crochets back loops, and then a single crochet back loop only on the 5 single crochet stitches. Super easy since we are doing a 1 row repeat pattern. Yeah, this is a 1 row repeat pattern. You do half double crochet back loop on half double crochet back loops, and you do a single crochet back loop on the single crochet back loops only stitches. So let me demonstrate the last one, and then we meet at row 59. So for row 5, chain 1 and turn your work. You're doing half double crochet back loops only. So yarn over, insert your hook on the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through the 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. We do this pattern until we reach row 59. You do half double crochet back loops only on the half double crochet back loop stitches, and then you do a single crochet back loop only on the single crochet back loops. Then we will meet at row 59. Done with the 59 rows. I want to join them to form the beanie, and then also join the upper part, close it up. So to do that, the last half double crochet back loop we did, chain 1 and cut enough yarn that we be using to join the parts and close up the crown of the head. Yeah, I cut this one, and then pull the yarn through. Yeah, the last the chain that you made. So after that, let's insert your yarn into the darning needle hole. After inserting, we join these 2 parts. Just observe carefully because I can't explain using words. We go into the first loop of the foundation chain, the first loop of the foundation chain. After joining this one and fastening it, so we'll be going into the loop of the foundation chain and the back loop of the other side. Make sure they are the same level, so the loop of the foundation chain and the back loop of the other side. Just observe because it's so hard to explain. The loop of the foundation and the back loop. Continue doing this way until the end. Make sure the 2 rows are the same level like these ones. At the end, let's finish off. This is what I've after sewing, this is what I've made. It's invisible, you can't tell where it is. It's the same pattern as the beanie. So we close up the upper part. To close the upper part, we go into these loops. These loops that are been created by the single crochets. The loops, only the loops. Go into the loops, and we skip every row that doesn't have these loops. So go into the loop, to the next loop. Yeah, so go into the loops, the loops, into the loops, the loops, this one's only the loops. Now all the loops. Now pull the yarn to close up. The closed up. Let's tie the yarn. Make sure you fasten it to close up. If it doesn't close up completely, you can make a small X. And that's what I've done. Again, tied up. You cut the excess yarn. So let's sew in the loose ends. Please and cut the rest of the yarn.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. Let's meet another tutorial, but remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Remember to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post another tutorial.